Hi, welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise show. And today, picked up a President Thomas J, an old CB from probably the late 70s, early to mid 80s. I think they make these new now, but like a different modern version. But anyway, picked this up for like $10. It's got PA, noise blinker, bright, dim, channel 9. Got a 9 indicator in the corner left there. Receive indicator. Antenna warning light, I believe, is there. Let me see, we got a calibrate, tone, mic gain, RF gain, squelch, volume, delta tune, and a function switch. And let me see, I'll let you listen to it. Hard to find these, and you don't see these too many anymore. I'll let you listen in just a little bit on the Super Bowl. It's not sideband, but it's still pretty cool. It's the four-pin side mic. But that's a great garage sale find. 73. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe.